Hello, today we are going to discuss about the vitamins. What are the vitamins? Practically, vitamins are carbonic compounds. From the vitamins, we are not getting energy. In food, we intake vitamins, but from protein, fat, carbohydrate, starch. From these, we are getting the energy. But from the vitamin, we are not getting energy. These are disease resistance element. These vitamins protect us against the disease and increase the immunity system. Vitamins are searched by the scientist Funk. So there are six types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Out of these, B and C are water soluble vitamins, and remaining vitamins A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. Mnemonic names for this you may write KDA, vitamin A, D, E, K. KDA are the vitamins which are soluble in the fat, not in water. So, name vitamin A. Vitamin A is called retinol, and due to deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness is take place. And for curing, carrot is a rich source for the vitamin A. So you must use carrot and leafy vegetables to protect. Second is vitamin B. This chemical name is thiamine, and due to deficiency of vitamin B, very disease takes place. Vitamin C. This is ascorbic. Chemical name is ascorbic acid, and due to deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy, that is swelling in the lips will take place. And vitamin C is obtained in citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, and so on. And vitamin D, that is the chemical name is calciferol, and due to deficiency of vitamin D, ricket ricket takes place. In ricket, bones of children bends. This is called ricket, and to cure this, fish liver oil is used, and in sunlight, with the help of sunlight, vitamin D is prepared, manufactured in the body, and milk product also rich source of the vitamin D. Next is vitamin D, and now we will study vitamin E. Next is vitamin E. Its chemical name is tocopherol, and due to deficiency of vitamin E, infertility increases, and this is found much and more. This is cauliflower. Cauliflower is the source of vitamin E. Vitamin K, its chemical name is phylloquinone, and due to deficiency of phylloquinone, that is due to deficiency of vitamin K, clotting of the blood will not take place. Means after cutting, the blood come out, blood clots. Clotting of blood will not take place. And there are vitamin B complex. In B complex, there are many type of vitamins. One of them is vitamin B12. It is very famous, and cyanocobalamin is the chemical name of the vitamin B12, and in this chemical, means in vitamin B12, cobalt is present. So now we are going to discuss some questions. So related with the these vitamins, and these questions had been found in competitions. These are competitions question, and these are very important question, and such type of questions are also essential for our life. This knowledge of vitamin B is essential for every person. And please, in next video, some important questions related with the science with human body, I'll prepare it. And for this, to find the next video, please subscribe it. If you subscribe it, so next video notification you will find very easily. And the next video will be also related with the human body. And please, with the vitamin and its importance is knowledge is very important. Next question is, please listen. Question is, from which we not get energy? Option is vitamin, carbohydrate, protein and fat. Answer is vitamin. From vitamin we are not getting energy. Question number 2, night blindness due to deficiency of. Option is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K and vitamin E. Please think. So I have discussed it before that vitamin, due to deficiency of vitamin A, there will be night blindness. These all questions have come in the exam. Next, question number 3, source of vitamin A. So option is given potato, carrot, tomato and cauliflower. You know it very well that carrot is the best source of the vitamin A. Next question, which vitamin has cobalt? In which vitamin there is cobalt? You know it very well that vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin, it has element cobalt. So answer, in this option is given vitamin B1, vitamin B12, vitamin B3 and vitamin D. So your answer will be vitamin B12. Next question is source of vitamin C. So option is milk, mango, apple and one is lemon. So what is the source? So source of vitamin C, its chemical name is ascorbic acid and the citrus fruits, and the lemon is the citrus fruit and it has sourness due to ascorbic acid. The lemon is the answer. These are source of vitamin C. Next, question number 6, chemical name of the vitamin C. This also I have taught to you, and chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Next is option was given ascorbic acid, citric acid, nitric acid, oxalic acid, but answer will be ascorbic acid. And same question in other tone it is given. Question is ascorbic acid is. So ascorbic acid is vitamin C. This is the answer. Next question, which vitamin is present in the fish liver oil? In fish liver oil, vitamin D is present. Next question, chemical name of the vitamin D. Vitamin D chemical name. Option is riboflavin, retinol, tocopherol and calciferol. So you know that calciferol is the chemical name of vitamin. This is calciferol is the vitamin D chemical name. Next question number 10. Which vitamin has relation of blood clotting? So you know last vitamin K. Prime Minister, the late Prime Minister of India, SMT Indira Gandhi, was suffering from this disease, the blood clotting. So blood clotting is related with vitamin K. Vitamin K. Its chemical name is phylloquinone, and due to this blood clotting will not take place due to deficiency of vitamin K. Question number 11. Due to deficiency of which vitamin bone bends in child? So due to deficiency of vitamin D, bone bends in child. And question number 12. Which is not soluble in fat? Which vitamins are not soluble in fat? The vitamins which are soluble in water are not soluble in fat. Vitamin B and vitamin C are soluble in water, which are not soluble in fat. And remaining vitamin K, that is K, vitamin K, vitamin E, or vitamin D and vitamin A, K, are soluble in fat. These are not soluble in water. Next question is question number, yes. So which vitamin is important for eye? You know it very well. Vitamin A is very important for the eye. Due to deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness disease happens, and there is a carrot. This is the good source of vitamin A. Next question is, that is, infection disease are controlled by infection. If there is deficiency of vitamin A, means answer is vitamin A. That's I am explaining. If there is deficiency of the vitamin A, infection disease will occur. So due to that is with the help of vitamin A, infection is controlled. Next is, which is not belong to vitamin B complex? Which is not B complex? So in this, pyridoxine, riboflavin, retinol and thymine. So please आप guess करें which is not belonging to B complex. Thymine, this is vitamin B. Riboflavin and pyridoxine. सो आप देखें इसमें से कौन सा है जो इससे बिलोंग नहीं करेगा. Try your best. So next is vitamin B2 chemical name. It is not taught by me, but I am telling you. Option is given: thiamine, hemoglobin, riboflavin, and dextrose. So out of this, riboflavin is B2. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Please note down. And vitamin D is, option is given: ascorbic acid, calcirol, retinol, folic acid, and calciferol. So you know it very well. Yeah, over here it is given calciferol is the chemical name of vitamin D. These are the questions is come in the exam, and please get prepared. This is complete topic of the vitamins, and please subscribe to get my next video, or that is also related. In next video the questions will be that belongs to for a great knowledge, and that is also important for our life, important for our body, important for knowledge. So please subscribe so that next video notification you will reach. Very soon our next video is going to be launched. Okay, best.